So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very helpful tutorial, where in this tutorial we're going to discuss how you can remove a copyright claim of any songs that you have been using in your videos. You might have been facing the problem of copyright claims, and if a video gets a claim, you might not be able to earn from that video. That video will be not able to monetize. So in order to remove a copyright claim from the videos, just simply open your YouTube Studio on any browser on your PC, and when you open the YouTube Studio and go to the video section, and you have to open the video on which you are facing the copyright issue. For example, if I open this video now, at the left corner, at the left window, I have to go to the option of copyright. When I click there, you'll see it is currently having the visibility issue due to a song copyright. In your condition, it might have been just a claim, so you might not be able to monetize the video. In my condition, it's just blocked the video. So in order to remove this copyright, just simply click on the three dots at there, and here you'll see the three options to remove the claimed content. Just simply first trim out that segment if you don't need it, that segment on your video, or the second option is you can replace that song, or the third option is the mute song. And if you might have a doubt that the song is yours, so you can dispute the content owner. Else you can use these three methods to remove a copyright claim. For example, if I click on the button of mute song, when I click there, you'll see I select the area at which I want to mute the song and hit continue. When I mute there, you'll see a small process will be started, and after some time the copyright claim has been removed from my video. So by this method you can easily remove a copyright claim from your video. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for having such more helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.